Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to TAPOSHI Educational Tutorial. Children, we have already learned how to find out the area of rectangle, their length, their breadth, their diagonal, and perimeter. We have also learned how to calculate the area of square, their side of square, diagonal of the square, area of the square, and perimeter of the square. Now we use this formula regarding some mathematical problem in this chapter. A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. It has path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. Find the area of the path and the cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter square. Right, student? Now, how to solve this mathematical problem? Let's see. First of all, dear student, let PQRS is a rectangle. So we write PQR is the given rectangular grassy plot and A B C D be the inside boundary, be the inside boundary of the path correct. Now dear student, here length is given, so length is equal to 75, correct. Breadth is equal to how much? 60 meter. This one meter, 60 meter, correct. So area of the plot, so area of the plot is equal to this one length into breadth, right? So we write 75 into 60 meter square, correct. Now multiply this one 5 6 the 30, so it will become 0 0 and 42 and 45, this one 4 5, so 4500 meters square, that the area of the plot, correct. Now width of the path, here given width of the path is equal to 2 meter, correct. Now AB, the length of the, therefore we can write AB is equal to 75 minus 2 into 2 meter, that is 75 minus 4 meter is equal to 71 meter. Same as this one AD is equal to 60 minus 2 into 2 meter, that is 60 minus 4 meter is equal to 56 meter, correct? So now the area of rectangle ABC, now area of rectangle ABCD, so we can write this one 71 into 56 meter square, correct? Now it will become if you multiply this one 6, this one 7, and this one 9, and this one 3, correct? So this one meter square. Okay, so area of the path, area of the path is equal to, so this one minus this one, so it will become 4500 minus 3976 meters square, correct? And it will become 524 meters square. Now we calculate the cost. Okay, rate of constructing the path. So we calculate the rate of constructing path is equal to rupees 125 per meter square. That means it will become 524 into 125, that is rupees, correct? So it will become, the answer will be rupees, if we multiply this one properly, so it will become 65,500, right? So this is the total cost of constructing the path, that is the total cost of constructing the path, correct? So student, I hope you understand this math clearly, right? So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. My dear student, here the another mathematical problem, that is here given, calculate the area of the shaded region in the given figure, correct? So dear student, how to calculate this mathematical problem, let's see. So first of all what we do, we do the area of the shaded region will be, first of all we write area, this is question number 2, area of the shaded region is equal to, we can write the area of the rectangle ABCD, that is ABCD, we mention here this one A, this one B, and this one C, and this one D, correct? And this one M, this one G, and this one F, and this one we take H G, this one F, and this one E, correct? So here we write the 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 area area of rectangle rectangle area of rectangle ABCD minus area of area of rectangle EFGH EFGH EFGH, correct? So now put the value and we calculate the area of the shaded region. So here it is given, so we write 43 meter into 27 meter. This is the 43 meter, this is the length, and 27, this is the breadth. Okay, now this is the area that we got of ABCD. Now minus this one, 43 minus 2 into 1.5. Here this side and this side the path is there, that means shaded region, this one. So this one 2 into 1.5 meter, correct, into 27 minus 1 into this one 2, this one 1 meter and this one 1.5, so this meter, correct? Now we write this one, so if you multiply this, we using here calculator, then we multiply here, it will become 1161 meter square minus it will become 40 into 25 meter square. Now 1161 meter square minus, if you multiply this one, then it will become 1000 meter square. So it will become 161 meter square. So now conclusion is here. So the area of the shaded region is 161 meter square, correct? I hope student you understood this mathematic problem and how it is solved, that we explain properly. My dear student, here I bring the another mathematic problem, that is calculate the area of the shaded region, the figure which is given below. Right, here how to calculate the area of the shaded region. So first we write the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square, area of the square A B C D, A B C D, correct, minus area of area of area of E F G H, E F G H, correct, plus area of IJKL, IJKL, correct, minus area of MNOP, that is square meter, right. Now put this all value, so here we write this one 40 into 40, that is the length of ABCD, this square, so minus 40 into 2 plus 40 into 3 minus 2 into 3 bracket close, correct. Now we can write this one, if you multiply 4 just 60, that means 1600 minus this will be 80 plus 120 minus 6, that is meter square, correct. Now we put this value here 1600 minus, we calculate this one, then it will become this one 200 and minus 6, so it will be become 194 meters square, correct. Now when we calculate this one, so it will become 1406 meters square. So therefore the area of shaded region is 1406 meters square, correct. I hope student this mathematic problem you understood very clearly. Thank you for watching this video.